A very good morning to everybody. I am Suchita Gupta. I am a yoga instructor. Today here we have been gathered here to discuss on the topic Surya Namaskar, its meaning, importance and practical. So we all know that our ancients were naturalists. They were leading a very simple life and the knowledge about nature was very deep. Among the Panch Mahabhutas, the Agni, the fire element, cannot be solid, means it cannot be dirty. Whenever anything is coming in contact with it, it is getting more purified. Among the five element, the fire element, which was not existing in the nature, was created by the man itself. So creating was not only difficult but was more challenging. Understanding and mastering over it was more challenging to the human. Also, that's why the seers bows towards it and worshipped it. Solar plexus is directly connected to the sun, and solar plexus is the place of human emotions and gut feeling. Solar plexus is just located above the navel region, which is like in gooseberry in shape, and it helps in connecting the lower chakras to the higher chakras. Solar plexus size increases with continuous practice, means the gooseberry shapes it is increasing to 3 to 4 times in a person when we are practicing Surya Namaskar. So that's why Surya Namaskar practicing is very powerful, because it increases the mental stability and physical level of a person. Surya Namaskar is known as sun salutation, which is consisting of 12 beautiful asanas in prayer form, which is the name of sun in itself, 12 different names. So when sun is coming, that means it is activating the solar energy in our system. Okay, so that is the Pingala Nadi in our system, which helps in increasing the pranic level of a person. So when we are practicing Surya Namaskar, it is channelizing our pranic energy, which helps in mental and physical stability of a person. Surya Namaskar is prayer in motion in itself. Surya Namaskar is also considered to be a sadhana in itself. It is consisting of asana, pranayam, meditation. It's such a beautiful sadhana in itself. And also Surya Namaskar is also connected with the rhythm of nature, rhythm of universe, rhythm of the 24 hours of the day, and also the 12 zodiac signs of nature. Surya Namaskar, why we should practice? Surya Namaskar, as sun is always considered to be a powerhouse of health, and we pray towards sun as you have so much of energy in you. In the same way, we try to inculcate that energy in ourselves with regular practice. Surya Namaskar practicing helps in improving the functionality of our endocrine system. It is always practiced early in the morning. This is the best time, and before sunset. You can practice any time of the day. It is always practiced empty stomach. Surya Namaskar is always helping in increasing the energy level in our body, and it is also practiced as a warm up or a startup of the session, and it is also very good in improving the functionality of our body. It works directly on our digestive system, so it makes our digestive system stronger, and for improving the functionality of our internal organs, it is very good. It is a complete exercise regime program which gives complete benefit to the body. So Surya Namaskar should be done on daily basis, and early morning time is the best time. So this was little introduction of Surya Namaskar. So I hope you have liked this Surya Namaskar talk. Now we will come to the next section in the next part, how to practice Surya Namaskar. I hope you have liked my today's Surya Namaskar. So let's come to the next part. We will continue with the practice of Surya Namaskar. Thank you so much.